Hi children. So today we are learning a new lesson, water, water everywhere. Okay. So in this lesson we will learn about what are the uses of water, what are the sources of water, and how much water we are using every day in our life, and how do we get rain. Okay. So let us learn about the uses of water now. Okay. So from the first lesson, Kirti and Kiran are traveling with us. Okay. So in this lesson also, they both are conversing about water. Let us see what is it is. Okay. Please keep the tap closed, Kirti said to Kiran. Water is precious. Don't waste it, she said. See, she had opened the tap and see, after the rain has come, the water has stagnated near their home. So they are playing by leaving ships, paper ships. Okay, and also she is telling that don't please keep the tap closed. Don't let the tap open. Okay. So water is very precious. Don't waste it. Like that Kirti is telling to Kiran. So why she is telling like that? Is it so important water? Is it water is so important to water is so precious? Yes, because with water only we are doing many works. Okay, we are doing bath, drinking, washing. Okay, washing utensils, everything to grow plants. Many of more there are more than um, there are more uses in the water. Okay, so we use water to drink, to bath, to wash, to cook food. Okay, they have given 4 uses. Children, you just find out other 4 uses and write it in the book. I'll help you, okay, to grow plants and to wash clothes, likewise, okay, to cook. Yes, so to find out the fill the 4 dashes. Okay, and the next one is sources of water. Where do we get water from? Where and all you can see water? Lakes, ponds, wells, underground water, sea, ocean, rivers, isn't it? In our home, we can see the water in the tank, top tank. Yes or no? Yes. And our parents have stored the water in the containers, pot also. Okay. But actually, where does the water comes from? Rain. Very good. Rain is the main source of water. Rain is the main source of water. Okay. For all, to fill a pond, lake, river, for everything, rain is the main source. Okay. Rainwater is pure. Rainwater is pure. Pure means very clean water. And we should store rainwater. Okay. So few years back, our government has told us to set up rainwater harvesting system in every home. Okay. If wherever after the rain comes, the rainwater can be stored underground or in a tank in each home. Okay. So we should store rainwater. Okay. Just wait. Now I am going to show you the sources of water. Okay. How we are getting water? We are getting water from well. Have you seen any well anywhere? Mostly in villages the well is there. The people used to take water from the well. Okay. By use of rope and bucket. Okay. Okay children. Yes. The second one is rain. And the third one is river. Fourth one is tap. In our homes we usually fit the tap. Okay. Because at the top of the building we have a central a big water tank is there. See, from that we will in kitchen or bathroom or anywhere we can connect it by use of pipe tap. Okay, and the next one is lakes. Okay, and the last one is stream. Okay, yes, so these are the sources of water.